Okay, now we don't have too much time, but anyways, he's crying. He wants to either go outside and play in the rain or something. So what is it, Gotti? Gotti. What is it? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go for a ride? Do you want me to clean your ears? No. Do you want to go for a ride? What is it, honey? Get down, Jeff. Gotti, what is it? Are you going to talk to me? Gotti. Gotti. What is it, honey? What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey, where are you going? You can't go outside. It's raining. Where are you going to go? Hey, where are you going to go? What is it, honey? What is it? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk? Huh? No, that's a whine. It's raining outside, and I guess he just wants to go out. Hey, get down, Jeff. Hey, what is it? What is it, honey? What is it, honey? What is it? He just wants to go outside. Say goodbye. Do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Are you a good dog? Sit. Oh. Say goodbye. Got it. Oh, what is it? Oh my goodness. What does it matter? We're not going outside. We're not going outside. It's raining. Say goodbye to the camera.